Today we're looking at arithmetic series, which is the sum of the terms in a sequence. So we have a series formula. If we take a look, S sub n is the sum of the first n terms, n is the number of terms, a sub 1 is the first term, a sub n is the last term that we're looking to sum. So we're going to start with a simple one. We've got 4 terms, so the sum of the first 4 terms equals n, which is 4, we have 4 terms, times the quantity first term plus fourth term, all over 2. So when you punch that in your calculator, we get a sum of 76. Our next one's a bit more complicated. This time we don't know what the last term is, and for our sum formula, we need to know the last term. So our first job is to find the 25th term. So we have a sub 1 plus that common difference. As we can tell, we're adding 9 to each term, times n minus 1, which is 24. So our 25th term is 219. Now we can find our sum. So we've got the sum of the first 25 terms equals the number of terms times the first term plus the last term, all over 2. And this time we have a sum of 2,775. The last example for this video, we're taking a look at using that summation notation. Now the first time we saw this, we found all of the terms and then added them up. I don't really want to find all 18 terms, but what I do recognize is that this formula is linear. A linear formula will be an arithmetic sequence, so I can use my arithmetic sequence formula. So I need the first term. So when I substitute 1 in for k, I get 6 minus 2, which is 4. I need the last term, or my 18th term. Substituting 18 for k, I get 6 minus 36, which is negative 30. And then I can use my sum formula. So the sum of the first 18 terms is the number of terms times the first term plus, in this case, minus the last term, all over 2. And this time I have a sum of negative 234.